Turn your dusty facility drawings into interactive floor plans with ML Drawings. Never had an accurate, up-to-date list of facility assets before? Not a problem. ML Drawings makes it quick and easy to build your list. Our software is fully integrated with the ML Work Orders database to help you stay organized and save time. Creating your list of assets has never been simpler. Our software allows you to walk through your facilities, take photos of different spaces and their assets, upload the photos, and add your asset information. Custom stamps make labeling and organizing a breeze. When you place a stamp, a window appears prompting input of all the relevant information. The stamp is visible on both the floor plan and facility photos. Efficiently keep track of make, model, serial number, financial information, and every other important detail. When saved, your ML Work Orders database is automatically updated. Everything you need, anywhere you are, ML Drawings puts your floor plans at your fingertips. When viewing your interactive floor plan, clicking on an asset brings up a quick view of important information as well as a menu of quick actions. From here, you can view the asset, submit a work order, add a preventative maintenance schedule, or view issues. Easily filter your floor plans to show only the information you need. Filter by system or asset type. Want to know where your building's fire extinguishers are? Easy. You can also assign viewing rights to individuals outside of your organization. Do fire safety professionals need to know where those fire extinguishers are located? Provide them view-only access for the most current information. You can even download filtered floor plans for physical distribution. With ML Drawings, mapping and documenting your assets has never been easier. Manage a next-gen facility with software that works for you instead of the other way around. If you'd like a full demo of everything our software can do, please reach out today.